The handheld gaming industry, as you know, it has just hit a massive, high-stakes turning point, and ASUS has quietly built a device that is about to push the Steam Deck and the Lenovo Legion Go into absolute irrelevance. For years, mobile PC gamers have been forced to accept major compromises, dealing with draining batteries that die in under an hour, stuttering frame rates on AAA titles, and washed-out screens that completely ruin the immersion of high-end graphics. But right now, deep inside the engineering labs of ASUS, a revolutionary blueprint has officially transitioned into reality with the development of the next-generation powerhouse, the highly anticipated ROG Ally 2 platform, hitting the market through the jaw-dropping ROG Xbox Ally X20. If you own an original ROG Ally, a Steam Deck OLED, or if you are actively planning to spend your hard-earned money on a premium gaming laptop, you need to freeze and pay attention to every single second of this video. What is currently leaking out of the supply chain regarding this absolute beast will force you to completely rethink portable gaming, because ASUS is preparing to execute a multi-billion-dollar hardware takeover that leaves the rest of the industry completely defenseless. This is not just a basic mid-cycle refresh with a slightly tweaked shell or an extra charging port. This is an aggressive, engineered assault on the limits of mobile silicon, designed to deliver native desktop-level performance directly to the palm of your hands. To understand why the hype is reaching an absolute fever pitch right now, you have to look at the massive architectural upgrades hidden inside this new hardware generation. The original iterations of PC handhelds proved that you could play desktop games on the go, but they were constantly held back by intense power throttling and severe thermal issues that caused microstutters during intense gunfights. ASUS completely erases these limitations by building the ROG Ally 2 lineup around the highly classified, next-generation AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme processor. This cutting-edge chip uses an advanced hybrid architecture that delivers massive leaps in raw processing efficiency, allowing it to chew through complex graphics pipelines with a fraction of the power consumption. Leaked benchmarks indicate that this system can easily handle massive open-world titles that used to instantly crash older handheld systems, bringing incredibly fluid performance to games that previously required a dedicated desktop graphics card. This processing power is completely supercharged by a revolutionary memory configuration that sets a terrifying new industry benchmark. While older systems throttled their graphics because they shared a limited pool of